What's up? I'm Trevor. That's Antonia. And this is our baby, our firstborn son. And this is going to be the baby's room. Yeah. The previous owners painted this room a crazy color of blue. And also, it seems like their kid loved posters, for there were holes absolutely everywhere. So first thing I did was take my drywall compound and fill all of them. And before I can paint, I gotta sand it. All sanded up, ready to prime. Well, because of the extreme color on the walls, we're going to use primer. When it comes to pouring the paint, you gotta make sure you do it over the drop sheet. I think I'm pretty good at it, but you can never be too sure. And then, get the handy brush to clean up any drips. Done. If you think you're gonna use your roller later, all you need is a handy dandy plastic bag. Stick her in there, wrap it up, make sure it's not on your belly, and you're good to go for next time. Oh yeah, and then you finish off your beer. Well, it's been a few hours. The primer is dry. Now it's time to paint with the real stuff. I'm going to be using recycled latex paint. Ivory. Ooh. Well, it turns out that the paint we chose for the baby's room that we tried to apply yesterday was yellow. And you can't have a yellow baby room. Just not acceptable. So, we got white paint. When I'm painting the edge of the ceiling here, I like to get my brush on a nice angle like this. Get a nice pressure and a nice long smooth stroke all the way along. Just a double back, get the loose bits, and we're definitely gonna have to do a second coat here because of the crazy blue paint that was on the wall. There you go. As you can see, the blue is very powerful, and we are going to need another coat, that's for sure. Would you look at that? We just had enough paint to get the whole room finished. Next time, we're going to put the crib together. We're also going to paint the changing table, hang some stuff on the walls, and make sure that the trim is all nicely trimmed. So please hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.